Okay, Otuto man. No, Ogechi, I have to apologize first, everybody. I know Ogechi reminded me of the class note, but I didn't post it because it was the same class note that we had 2 weeks ago. We just reviewed last week. So Ogechi, amagame neighbor. Ogechi batago. Ogechi anareba. All right, so. Okay, so I get me power. I get megari here, but so we do a little bit of review about let me see, negations. So if you have a question today, let me know because we have quiz coming up. So if you have your question or confusion or what you would like me to clear up, so let me know. Also, we are going to do a little bit of spelling. I know some people, for the sake of new ones here, we're going to do spelling again. How to spell Igbo words. You don't spell Igbo words the same way you spell English words. So, etigechi were kpọpụta ahịrịokwu, ịkpọpụta ahịrịokwu means spelling Igbo words, okay? It's not the same way. Ọ bụghị otu ị ga-esi wee kpọpụta okwu bekee, mkpụrụ okwu Igbo na mkpụrụ okwu bekee. All of you know what is bekee. So, you don't know what is bekee, let me know. Ma ọ bụ oyibo. All right. Okay, so okay, so the negation. How to add the word GHI. Whenever you go well, actually you say, okay, I didn't do this, I don't have this. No, I'm not doing this. I'm not coming or I'm not this. So you have to add that, okay? So every time, because I realize that, well, I'm your own ajojo. For the pneumonia, when I say, how do you say this in English? It's like they don't know what it is. No. So everybody must know what it is, how to say it, how to express yourself in a negative form, okay? So negation present tense, remove the infinitive marker and adding GHI. Okay, so add A in front of the verb. So for example, ebia, okay? So when you look at this verb, ebia, to come. To come. So what basically you're trying to say is abia, okay? For you, I mean, like when you're trying to express yourself, when trying to say it, I didn't come. That I there is you. The and the you use those two letters when you are trying to say something. In this case, in order for it to rhyme with a vowel harmony, okay? Following the vowel harmony, kamsi, you need to sit up. You are in the class. You are not in the kindergarten room. You need to sit up when you are in this class, okay? Sit up. If you're on the bed, go to the table. Sit down on the table. I want you to pay attention. I don't want you to lie down when you're in this class. Okay, so when you have the verb abia, okay, and then abia means to come. And when that to come, you're trying to say, okay, abiaram, or that means that's the positive now. But when you say abiagem, it means I didn't come. Obiage, he or she or it did not come. That's what we're doing. But when it comes to you, you need ha abiage. Don't get confused when you're trying to say another person. Ha is representing there, but you is you. Abiagem. Abiagem. When you say he or she or it, there's no other. It's obiage. But when you're saying there should be there. Okay, so let's do it. For example, we say abia to come. Abiagem. Ha abiagem. Abiagem. I did not come. Ha abiage. They did not come. So that's what it is. So when you say abiagim, it means I did not come, meaning you. So abiagim, it means I did not come. I did not come. Now, when you say ha abiagim, it means they did not come. Okay. So you did not come. Ebiage. Ebiage. When you're looking at somebody and you're pointing at that person and say, you did not come. You use a. Don't forget your pronouns. Everything has to do with the pronoun here. So, ebiage. It means you did not come. Now, I need somebody to make a sentence. I need a volunteer. Onye ga-asị okay. You all did not come yesterday. You all did not come yesterday. Kaima. Ebuka.
Ebuka.
Okay, Ebuka ngwa. You all did not come yesterday.
Unu niile abịaghị ụnyaahụ.
Unu niile abịaghị. See? Abịaghị ụnyaahụ. There you go. That's right. Unu niile abịaghị ụnyaahụ. Okay, so that's correct. I need somebody to tell me, we didn't eat today. We did not eat today. We did not eat today. I need a volunteer. We did not eat today. Can I get ahịrịokwu there? Ralo?
Anyị ereghị ihe taa.
Anyị emeghị gịnị? Kwuo ya ọzọ.
Anyị erighị ihe taa.
Anyị erighị ihe taa. Daalụ. Anyị erighị nri. We did not eat, okay? Anyị erighị ihe maọbụ you can say food nri taa. Daalụ ralụ. We did not eat. Okay, o nwere onye nwere ajụjụ? Oh, if ọ bụrụ na ị ghọtaghị ya, gwa m. If you did not understand how to conjugate when it comes to negations, let me know. Ọ bụrụ na ị ghọtaghị ya, gwa m ugbu a. Okay, so I take it like everybody understood. Okay, ikwu. Ikwu, to say. Ikwu means to say something. Okay, so gịnị mere i jiri sị na anyị ga-etinye kpọm n'okpuru e? All right, maka na. Okay, maka na means because. So why did you say we will put a period under the letter A? So so when it comes to interrogative pronouns, answer in negative, okay? So if you're doing the interrogation, why did you do this? What did you say? Where is it? Who are you? So these are interrogative pronouns. Okay. Onye biara. Who came? See that? Who came? Onye biara. This is past tense. Who came? So, awonam lotu banjo Emeka sị ma o nwere onye bịara n'ụlọ anyị. Nsị Emeka onye bịara. Who came? Kedu onye bịara nụ means who came. Now, nobody came. Onwege onye biarano. Onwege means nobody. Nobody came. Onwege. Okay. So, who went there? Onye gara maọbụ onye jere ebe ahụ. See how you say that? Who went? Onye jere. When you use a word went and came, they are not the same. Ha abụghị ofu ihe. Ha abụghị ofu ihe means they are not the same. Ha abụghị ofu ihe. They are not the same. Ha abụghị. You see how I put it? So when I say these words, I'm expecting you to pick some words from what I'm saying. Ha abụghị. Ha abụghị ofu ihe. Ha abụghị ofu ihe maọbụ otu ihe. Ha abụghị otu ihe. It means they are not the same thing. Ihe means 10. Ha is there. They are not the same thing. That's what it is. They are not the same thing. Okay, so who went there? Onye gara maọbụ onye jere ebe ahụ. There is ahụ. Nobody went there. Onwegi onye jere maọbụ gara ebe ahụ. You don't have to use both jere and gara. You can use one or the other. Don't write. I put both of them here because achọrọ m ka ị mara na ọ wụ ofu ihe ka ha bụ. I wanted you to know they are the same thing. Who is coming? Onye na-abịa. Who is coming? Onye na-abịa. Nobody is coming. Onwegi onye na-abịanụ. Onwegi onye na-abịanụ. Now, I use who, but then we have gene. It's a what? Okay. We have a lot of them. Why? So we need to use those words. Who will come? Onye ga-abịa. Who will come? Onye ga-abịa. Nobody will come. Onwegi onye ga-abịanụ. Okay, so I just use this for examples. But I'm going to give you something that you're going to work on. And you put it in the present, future, and past tense. And when I say past tense, I need both past tense came and went. Both of them are past tense. You have to put two of them. So use two of them to make sentence. Now, they are not here. Ha anọghị ebe a. They are not here. Ha anọghị ebe a. They will not be there. Ha agaghị anọ ebe ahụ. They will not. So this is negative now. Ha agaghị anọ ebe ahụ. You all did not go there. Unu niile agaghị ebe ahụ. All right? She did not dance yesterday. Ọ gbaghị egwu ụnyaahụ. We did not do it. Anyị emeghị ya. See, all these are negative. You did not say it. E hụghị ya. You means a. This letter A here means you. E hụghị ya. E hụghị ya. You can write it together. Ị nwere ike dekọọ ya ọnụ ma desa ya desa. Dekọọ ya ọnụ means write it together. Dekọọ ọnụ means to write together. Desa means to separate. Desa, so this two words. Dekọọ ọnụ means write together. Dekọọ ọnụ. Dekọọ ọnụ, okay? Dekọọ. If you are putting it separate like this, but if not, okay, dekọọ ọnụ, you can put a hyphen, ọnụ. The other means to put together, write together. Or join together. Now, join together means jikọọ ọnụ. Jikọọ ọnụ means this is write together, but when you say jikọọ ọnụ, Okay, means to join together. Right together, abughi the same, abughi the same. It's not the same as join together. Now, when you say jiko on, it means to join together. When you say desa, yeah, okay, desa will separate it, okay? Separate it, don't write together, okay? So pay attention. They call on now means to write together. Jiko on means to join. They are not the same. When you join in, yeah, even though literally may say to put something together means to join them. Yeah. But this has to do with writing. Write together versus put together. Join two things together versus writing something. Even though, yes, they mean to put together. But when you're speaking it, you have to know which one is to write. You can't use the word write on when you're trying to say to join something together. Okay. Now, going back to what we're doing. We did not do it, Anyemegia. You did not say it. Ikugia. I did not say it. Ekugim. See, you use the word. No one to use the and the a. No one to use the and a. Okay, so onwere nwere ajụjụ when it comes to negation, because this is just reviewing it. Onwere nwere ajụjụ. If you have questions, jụọ ajụjụ ugbu a, because unu ga-enwe ihe omume bụ gịnị? Homework or assignment. I'll send it out. Onwere nwere ajụjụ. All right, onwege. Now, don't forget, I always put these vowels because I don't want you to forget your vowels. Always remember your vowels. Always, always, always. Your vowels. You need it to be able to write Igbo very well. You need it to be able to speak, pronounce Igbo word well. So, ngwa ugbu anyị nwere ihe a na-akpọ Igbo spelling. Ịkpọpụta ahịrịokwu. Igbo spelling means ịkpọpụta ahịrịokwu. Mkpọpụta ahịrị okwu. Mkpọpụta ahịrịokwu. So, abịa na mkpọpụta ahịrịokwu. So, mkpọpụta ahịrịokwu ugbu a. Ọ bụghị etu isi akpọpụta oge chikedu ka emere.
Adị m mma.
Ka ọ dị ka ị bịaghị n'oge tata, gịnị mere?
Ndo.
That's okay. Take your time. Ị bịaghị n'oge taa, gịnị mere? Gịnị ka m jụrụ gị? Gịnị ka m jụrụ gị?
You asked me what I was doing.
I know. Say it exactly what ị bịaghị n'oge. Ị bịaghị akwụkwọ n'oge taa, gịnị mere?
I came to class late. What happened?
Okay. Yeah. So.
Yes,
I was. Gịnị mere? No, Igbo. No. Anyị achọghị Bekee. Anyị achọghị oyibo. Sụọ ya n'Igbo. Gbalịa.
Okay. Anyere m aka ndị enweghị ụlọ.
Agara anya, okay, ngwa kwuo ya n'oyibo. Say it in English.
Helping people, homeless people.
You helped the homeless people.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so ị gbalịrị means you tried. Agara m nyere ndị na-enweghị ụlọ aka. It means I went and helped the homeless people.
Okay.
Yeah, ndị na-enweghị ụlọ. If it's in plural, you see, if it's one person, agara m nyere onye, meaning one person, onye na-enweghị ụlọ aka. But since they're not just one person, agara m nyere ndị. You see, when it comes to plural, okay, agara m nyere ndị na-enweghị ụlọ, meaning people, you know, they do not have house. You see that? Agara m nyere ndị na-enweghị ụlọ aka. I went to help homeless people. Agara m nyere onye meaning one person. Onye na-enweghị ụlọ aka. I went to help a homeless person. You see that? Yeah, so that's ndewo no. Okay, so anyị mere ihe ọtụtụ ihe ụfọdụ a na-akpọ negation when it comes to itinye ihe na negative. So if you have a confusion there, send me a message, let me know. But if you're okay with the negation, how to put it, fine. Okay, so now we're going to anyị ga-eme ihe a na-akpọ mkpọpụta ahịrịokwu, meaning spelling. Ahịrịokwu means those letters, Igbo letters. The way you spell English is not the same way you spell Igbo words. So, ugbu a, abịa na ezigbo, aga m eme nke mbụ, meaning I'm going to take the first one. Ezigbo, ezigbo. And when looking at the word ezigbo, you know you should not punctuate anything because this is the vowels in E group. And that's why I put all of them up here. Ezigbo, E-Z-E-B-O, ezigbo. When somebody said, when you are doing a contest, of which we have events coming up next year, not this year. We have events coming up next year. So everybody start getting ready. So when you are asked to contest and you are about to spell ezigbo, E-Z-E, we, G and B supposed to be together. We, O, not O. There's no point underneath. E-Z-E-B-O, ezigbo. That's how you do spelling. Now, I'm going to have Nkechi. Nkechi kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu ọkpụkpụ. Ezigbo means good. Ezigbo nwa, for example, when I say ezigbo nwa, a good child. So if you have something like this, ezigbo nwa, E-Z-E-B-O, you see, B-O, nwe-a. E-Z-E-B-O, nwe-a. Nwe, W and N spelled together. Ezigbo nwa. So that's how you spell, meaning a good child. You can use it. It's not only just only a little child. That now, when I look at Oluchi, I say Oluchi ezigbo nwa. That doesn't mean I say Oluchi is a little child. No, in Igbo way, an elder person will say, "Oh, nwa ezigbo nwa," whether you are a young adult or not. So ezigbo nwa, that's how you say it. Now, Nkechi, ngwa kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu ọkpụkpụ. Ọkpụkpụ means bone. Ọkpụkpụ wụ bone. Nkechi ọ nọ ebe a? Kaima ọ nọ ebe a?
Anọ m ebe a.
Kedu onye na-ekwunu? Kedu onye na-ekwunu?
Nkechi.
Okay, then egbula anyị oge. Akpọ gị aha gị kwuo okwu. Ọ bụghị akpọ gị aha gị gba nkịtị. Okay, Nkechi kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu ọkpụkpụ.
As in, you want me to spell it?
Chineke God. When I say kpọpụta ahịrịokwu, it means to spell it. Yeah, I put it here. Ahịrịokwu means spelling. Kpọpụta ahịrịokwu means to spell the word.
Okay. You ready?
Am I ready or are you ready?
Oh, sorry.
You see that? Go ahead. Are you ready? Means ede nkwadobe. And aga m etinye ya ebe a. Ngwa. Pechi ngwa.
Okay. O B U B U.
Nkechi. Achọrọ m ka ị gee ntị ozugbo ọfụma. Etu a ka esi akpọpụta ahịrịokwu Igbo. Achọrọ m ka ị gee ntị ọfụma. It looks like you're wearing here when I spelled it before. Ezigbo. E-Z-E-B-O-N-W-A. Ezigbo. Kechi kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu ọkpụkpụ.
O P
Okay. Nkechi, Oluchi, ọ nọ ebe a? Oluchi Obiesie from Florida. I know I have two Oluchis. Okay. Oluchi ngwa. Kpọpụta ahịrịokwu ọkpụkpụ.
O B.
Now, if you're doing a contest, this is how you do it. Ọkpụkpụ. You have to pronounce the word to make sure that you're pronouncing it right. One, you can lose a point from not even pronouncing it right. You can also lose a point for not spelling it right. So when you finish spelling, ọkpụkpụ, then you say the spelling after you pronounce the word again. Because you can lose a word, you can lose a point for not even sounding it right. Well, Oluchibalia means to try.
O B. Is that a dot under the U?
Yeah, of course. Go
O
ahead.
B O.
Go kwa ya ọzọ.
O B O B O.
Okay, pay attention when you're spelling this U with a dot and U without it. Oluchi, Bob, can you sound the U without a dot?
O
Can you sound the U with a dot?
O.
It's like I can't even tell the difference because I know you are not sounding it right. You spelled it right, but not quite. You have to differentiate the U with a dot and U without. The U without a dot is
O.
ooh, The one with a dot is O.
O.
You see, so your mouth supposed to shape in a certain way. Ooh and O. Ooh and O. Okay, ngwa kpọpụtakwa ahịrịokwu ọkpụkpụ ọzọ. Do it again.
O B O B O.
No, you're still missing it. This is how you spell it. Ọkpụkpụ. Ọkpụkpụ. That's what when the panel, okay, the judges, they will paying attention how you're spelling this. Ọkpụkpụ. Don't spell it so don't do it that. You need to practice though.
Okay.
So everybody need to practice. Ọkpụkpụ. Oluchi ngwa gbalịa ọzọ.
Bo. O B O B O. Bo.
Oluchi. Okay. Try again. Ọkpụkpụ. Ọkpụkpụ.
O B O B O. Bo.
Yeah, so that's how you spell when you're doing a spelling. Not that you need to speed up, but keep the pace going, okay? So you will get it. Dalo Luchi. Let me see. Ralo. Mopotara anya ahịrịokwu gbochie. Gbochie means to prevent.
Where or she e e.
Ọzọ Ralo.
Gbochie bụ gbe ọ chi i e.
Why are you
Gbochie.
calling IE? Okay, now, first of all, the sound you had, we say wo. We didn't say wo because you pronounced the O as O.
Oh,
There shouldn't be a dot there.
okay.
Ngwakwa.
B O Ch I E Boche.
Okay. We are here when I was telling Oluchi what to do. B-O-Chi, you see, B-O-Chi-E-E, bochie. B-O-Chi-E-E, bochie. You need to spell, that's how you spell Igbo spelling. I know in English way, there you can, so you can breathe, but Igbo spelling, for the panel to know that you know what you're doing, you have to spell it in a certain way. Okay, so B-O-G-E-E, bochie. Ralo, can you try it?
Yeah. B O Ch I E Boche.
There you go. That's how you spell it. And make it higher. Batara. Batara. Keme.
Batara bu be a te a re a batara
Oyozo.
batara bu be a te a re a batara.
Yeah, Onwetara, you said it right. That's good. Botaram. Kedu ndị nọ ebe a? Ma mara ndị nọ ebe a. Adanna Okeke, kpọtara m. Kpọtara m nwa. Okay. Adanna Okeke, kpọtara m nwa. I want you to spell it.
We are.
Adanna, I can't hear you.
We are.
Ọzọ.
We are.
Adanna, kpọtara m nwa. I want you to spell everything. You're only spelling nwe a. That's not the only thing there. Kpọtara m nwa. Adanna ọ nọ ebe a.
I know never.
Chimbusomma. Chimbusomma ọ nọ ebe a.
I know never.
Ngwa Chimbusomma kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu. Kpọtara m nwa.
Walk. O. Ta. A. R. Re. A.
Chimbusomma. Chimbusomma, oke kpọkwuokwa ya ọzọ.
Walk. O. La.
Chimbusomma is kpe. Kpe.
B.
Mhm.
O. Ta. A. R. A.
Chimbusomma, okay. All right, you valid, okay, you try. Okay, so that T is T, not ta, okay? So it's B O T R A M. See? B O T R A M. Nwe nwa. Kpọtara m nwa. Chimbusoma. B O T A R A M. Nwe a. Kpọtara m nwa. Bring me a child. Ngwa. Can you spell it? Mkpọpụtakwa ya ọzọ. Chimbusoma.
Where or there are
No, T.
there
T.
are
T. You know how your alphabet T. B O T A R A M. Nwe.
are where
Chimbusoma, slow down. Go back. I want you to achọrọ m ka ịkpọpụta ya etu a. B O T A R A M. Nwe a.
where or
Chimbusoma. Start from B.
where or there
Okay, Chimbusoma, it's all right. Let me get another person, okay? Keep practicing. Chiemezie. Kpọtara m nwa. Chiemezie ọ nọ ebe a?
I'm ebe.
Okay, kpọtara m nwa. Kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu.
Ke pe, o, ta,
Chiemeze bido n'isi. Gwakwa ya ọzọ.
ke, pe,
What? Bidokwa n'isi pe, not pe. K
ke,
and P, you should pronounce two of them together.
we,
Okay,
o,
Chiemeze. I will need it. Were you here when I was spelling it? I need you to practice. First of all, if you don't know your alphabet pronunciation well, I'm advising everybody, if you don't know your alphabet pronunciation, you will need to go back and learn them. That is the first thing you do. You don't know them, you will struggle when it comes to spelling Igbo words, okay? You need them. This spelling will help you to know how to pronounce Igbo words. Because we're going to start focusing heavily on reading, Igbo readings. You have to know your letters for you to be able to read well. That's what I will advise. Chinenye, kpọpụta ahịrịokwu, kpọtara m nwa.
Kpụtara m nwa bụ kpee
Ọzọ, kwuo ya ọzọ.
Kpụtara m nwa bụ kpee kee re me nwe kpụtara m nwa.
There you go. Chinenye kpọtara ya. Daalụ. Kedu onye ga-akpọpụtara anyị nọrọ? Let me see. Kamsi, kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu nọrọ. Kamsi, ahịrịokwu nọrọ.
Nọrọ bụ ni re nọrọ.
Daalụ. Means stay. Nọrọ means stay. Stay. Okay, kwupụta. We're gonna say kwupụta ya. But let's say kwupụta means say. Kwupụta means to pronounce it. Kwupụta, pronounce. Kedu onye ga-akpọpụtara anyị Ogechi kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu kwupụta. Kwupụta means to say it. It will be just say because it's not say it. Kwupụta ya means to pronounce it. So pronounce. Okay. Ogechi kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu pronounce.
Kwupụta bụ kwe o pe o.
Kwupụta. Who. Now, kwupụta, there should be dots. Kwupụta. Kwupụta.
O pe o ti a.
What getting called? You need to pronounce it. Don't forget when you finish spelling it, you have to pronounce it. Okay, so kwupụta, kpọpụtakwara anyị ahịrịokwu ọzọ. Spell it again.
Kwupụta bụ kwe o pe o ti a. Kwupụta.
Okay, now pay attention when you're pronouncing the U with a dot. What I'm hearing is O with a dot. You're sounding the letter O with a dot instead of U with a dot. Kwe O is a different thing from O. I'm hearing O from you. So pay attention to the two sounds. Kwe O, pe O, te a. Kwupụta. So, but pay attention to your O with a dot and U with a dot. Okay, daalụ. Kedu onye ọzọ n'ebe a na-ekwubeghị ihe ọbụla? Kaima kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu chere.
che, re,
How many words are you? Well, chere, only chere. Kpọpụta ahịrịokwu chere kaima.
oh, che, re,
How many do we have? We have bidokwanisi. Bidonisi means start from the beginning. Ahịrịokwu chere.
chi, re, I don't know. I mean, you know,
How do you say I don't know? Kama, you didn't even try. You just say, I don't know. Che-eri-e. That's it. Che-eri-e. If you know your alphabet, that's what you're doing. You're just spelling it, trying to sound those alphabets. Che-eri-e. Chere. Kaimangwa. Kpọpụta ahịrịokwu chere.
che-eri-e.
Kwuo ya ọzọkwa. Kaima, kpọpụta ahịrịokwu chere.
Re-e.
What is it?
Chere.
Chere, che-eri-e, chere. That it means wait. Chere means wait. Okay, Hadassah, kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu wetere. Let me say wetere m. No, just do shit wetere. Okay. Ọzọ ka Hadassah.
We-e-ti-e-ri-e.
What is it?
Wetere.
Wetere, we-e-ti-e-ri-e. Wetere, dal, brought. Means brought. Okay. All right, so Jason. Jason, kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu azịza. Azịza, Jason. Azịza, yeah.
Azịza.
Jason, kwuo ya ọzọ.
Azịza.
Caesar is broom. What is it?
Broom.
What's broom?
Azịza.
Ngwa kpọpụta ahịrịokwu ya.
Azịza.
There you go. When you finish, you pronounce it. Dalo. Azịza. So that's how you say nkata. Nkata. Nkata means basket. Kedu onye na-akpọbeghị here? Nkata. Kamsi, the other Kamsi. Kamsi. Not Kamsi Obi, the other Kamsi. The Kamsi with an I. Kamsi kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu nkata, which is basket.
Nkata bụ
Keep going. Okay. Now, nkata is K-A-T-A. The same way your alphabet, the way you sound K, that's what you're supposed to say there. K-A-T-A. Even though say nkata, some people say ne, K-A-T-A. So both of them are correct. K-A-T-A, nkata, the same way you sound it. Okay, but if you say ne, K-A-T-A, it's okay, you get it too. But it's supposed to go with the sound. K-A-T-A, nkata. Ngwa kamsi. Kpọpụta ahịrịokwu nkata.
Nkata bụ K-A-T-A. Nkata.
Nkata. There you go. All right. Chiamaka, which is favor. Chiamaka. Nkata. Now, you see, they are the same spelling, but they are different sounds and different meaning. Nkata. So you look at these two words. They are the same word, different sounds, and different meaning. Nkata, this is conversation. This is conversation. Nkata. It's not nkata. The spelling is different. The spelling with the same, but the sounds and meaning, they are different. Okay, Chiamaka. It's favor here. Your name is Chiamaka, right?
Yes.
Okay, so gịnị yes. Okay, ngwa kpọpụtara anyị nkata. Chiamaka, I have another class. You need to move. You need to say the word I asked you to say.
Echiche.
I say nkata.
Nkata bụ ni ke a te a.
What is it?
Nkata.
No. Nkata, not nkata. Nkata. The sounds differ. They are not the same. Nkata na nkata. Nkata, basket. Nkata, conversation. Okay, daalụ. Chiemezie, echiche. Chiemezie, echiche.
Che. I.
Do we have anything like I in Igbo alphabet?
No.
It's E-Chi-E-Chi-E. E-Chi-E-Chi-E. Echiche. Echiche. Thinking. It's thinking. Echiche. E-Chi-E-Chi-E. Echiche. Chiemezie. Kpọpụtara ya.
Chi.
No. What? How do you pronounce I?
I.
Okay. Kpọpụta ahịrịokwu echiche.
Che. I. Che.
E-Chi-E-Chi-E. Echiche. Adanna, kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu. O miri imi. O miri imi. Very deep. Something that is deep. Adanna, o miri imi. Huh? Oh, ịmaghị ya. Okay. O mi e re e mi e. O miri imi. Now, what I will say here, because we're running out of time, everybody go over your spelling. Next week, we're going to go over everything we did. Okay, I know you were not here when I was telling them. Yeah, I know you reminded me to send a note, the last week class note, but I didn't send it because it was just a review of what we did last 2 weeks. So you still have it in the forum, okay, Ogechi? So it's there. Go over everything we did. We're all gonna have a quiz from the January we started class till now. We're going to have quiz next week. Please, I'm expecting you to know everything we did. You have a question, you have send me a note, but I will send you you will have homework to do on the negations we did today. You have homework, I will send it out. So you get a homework, okay? All right, so aga m ahụ unu n'izu ọzọ. Ọ bụrụ na ị nwere ajụjụ, zitere m ajụjụ gị. I see you next week because I'm starting another class. Ebuka. Oh, Ebuka, ị nọ ebe a. Amaghị m na ị nọ ebe a. Ebuka.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Okay, ngwa.
Gịnị wụ sentence na Igbo?
Inye okwu. I will send it. Inye okwu.
Okay.
Yeah. Like when I say ị ga-nye anyị okwu, kpọpụtara anyị okwu, but I will send it to you because the beginners are calling in, okay?
No problem.
All right, ngwa. Ka emesịa no.
Audio.
All right.
Yeah.
Audio.
Ka emesịa. All right.